Hi, Robbie Susan Chandler here from RobbieSusansCardsandCrafts.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. Today I'm going to share a Christmas card with you that could also be a gift card holder. Either way, it would be your choice. But this is the card, and when you open it up, here's where the gift card holder is if you would like to have one, or you would just leave that off and it would just be a card that said wishing you a very Merry Christmas. It's a very quick and easy card to do. Let's jump in and take a look at this card. Now our base is real red, and it's 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then this piece that folds is also real red, and it's also 5.5 by 4 1/4, but it's scored at 2 3/4, and you just fold it in half. So it's the same size as this one, just fold it in half. And then we have our white base piece that goes on our real red piece, and it's 4 by 5 1/4 inches, and I embossed it with the Christmas Tidings embossing folder, and it looks like that. Isn't that cute? Now the Christmas Tiding embossing folder is not one of our 3D ones. It's one of the thinner ones, so you need 2 clear plates. So we'd use your platform. You would put your clear plate down, put your folder down, and put your other clear plate on top, and always feed it in with the fold going in. So here's our embossed piece right here. Alright, so I have already adhered it to the front. Now the folded piece inside was the part with our greeting, and that piece is 4 by 2 1/2, and on the front is our specialty designer series paper, and this piece is also 4 by 2 1/2, and this comes from the pack called Shining Christmas Specialty Designer Series Paper, and here's the name, Shining Christmas Specialty Paper. And as you can see, it has several designs in it. It's got some holly, some little trees here, the stripe, some candy canes. It's a nice pack of paper. So the greeting that I stamped inside came from Joy to You, and I used this one right here, wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and that is stamped in real red. So then, like I said, I adhered my designer paper to the front of that, and then this piece simply just goes down on the front of our card base. And we don't really have a folding card base, it's a flat card base this time. And I find that the Tombow Mono Liquid Glue works better when you're adhering to an embossed surface, because these little raised textures, it's hard to get something to adhere because there's not a flat surface. Okay, so now we have basically our card base, and to do the gift card holder inside, you would just take a piece of basic, real red, and this piece is 4 1/4 by 2, and I circle punch, and just punch your little half circle out right there, so you would have a way to grab the gift card that you put in there. And when you put your adhesive down, make sure you just stay right close to the edge and don't go across the top, because you need that area to slip your gift card in, or money. You know, you could put money in here. So we'll just put that down right there. So you see, now you have a simple little gift card holder. Okay, and you're saying, well, what about little gingerbread men? Yeah, let's take a look at them. They're actually stamped on basic white, and this is the name of the stamp set, Sending Cheer. And actually today when I filmed this, if it's still available, this set was on sale for 40% off. Yeah, 40% off. So I stamped my 2 gingerbread guys, and I used pecan pie. And for their little mouth and eyes, I used just plain old Memento Tuxedo Black. And if you see on the stamp set, this is the eyes and mouth, and then this is the gingerbread guy. Now, I could have stamped the red hearts, but I decided to do something different with that. There is a die in the set. It looks like this. Cuts 3 hearts, And then here's your die that cuts your gingerbread guy, and Sending Cheers die. This is also on sale 40% off if it's still available. So the whole set is 40% off for each part. And you notice that this die, these are actually for tags. You can make tags out of these. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut that little part off because I didn't want that part on mine. So I've got them stamped, got little faces on, and cut all those little hearts. In here, I glued them on. Don't you think that's much cuter with those cut out ones instead of the stamped one? I really had trouble getting it to line up, and it didn't seem to really cover that hole too well. All right, I'm going to cut that off of each one. Okay, and then I just get rid of these dimensionals I have on the backing on the dimensionals. Now let's just pop these guys on the front. I told you this was a quick and easy card. There you go. This one I'm using my edge of my dimensionals. Don't want any waste on those dimensionals. So we use a lot of them. Okay. Here's our other guy. I'll just sit him right there. So there's our card. Just flip it up. You could put money or gift card, or you could leave that off and just have a nice little wishing you a very Merry Christmas card. I hope you like this card and give it a try, because it's, like I said, it's very simple. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and please like my video. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. So until next time, happy crafting.